students, today I am going to explain you chapter number 2, exponent power. So our first exercise is 2.1 and first question is write the base and the exponent of the following. So first number question, it's given there 5 power 7. So what is a base? Base is a 5 and power we are known as exponent. Already in the chapters upside it's given as a power. As an exponent we are denoting, so we will write as a power of 7, we will write exponent equals to 7. 4, here it's given minus 4, 7 and minus 4, 7 power minus 4. So base is 7 and exponent is minus 4. Like this you have to do every sums. Here it's given 4 by 3 whole square, so 4 by 3 is a base and square is the exponent. Here it's given root under 2 and 6, so base will be root under 2 and 6 will be exponent. So 5 number question, 26, here outside it's written 0, 0 as an exponent and base as a 26. Now our second number question, write each of the following as a product in the exponent form. So count how many times it's given minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So write here minus 3 power 5. Now count root under 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write here root under 7. Bracket out you write here 6. Then after this see, here it's written 5, 5, 5, 5. 4 times it's written 5. 5 plus 5 you will get 10, 10 plus 5 you will get 15, 15 plus 5 you will get 20. So write here 3 power 20. 1 by 9, count how many times is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So bracket out right there 1 by 9, bracket out 4. Third number question it's given, they express the following in the exponent form. Here it's first number question, it's given 243 by 3125. You have to find the prime factorization method or LCM SCF method which you are using. You have to find the same thing. You have to use prime factorization method. Here 243 it's given, divide with 3 you will get 81. Then again divide with 3 you will get 27. 27 divide with 3 you will get 9. 9 divide with 3 you will get 3. 3 divided by 3 by at last you are getting 1. So stop here. Then 3125 divide with 5 you are getting 625. Divide with 5 you will get 125. Divide with 5 you will get 25. 25 divided with 5 you will get 5. 5 divided with 5 you will get 1. So how many times 3 comes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right here minus 3 whole out 5. Why you have written minus? Because in question already minus it's given. So right here minus 3 whole you have to write, whole out you have to write 5 or 3 minus 3 power 5. Count here 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write here 5 power 5. Why we are writing 5 power 5? Because it came 5 times. So you have to write 5 power 5. Then second number question, 512 by 1331. Here you have to divide with 8. 8 how many times it's coming? 8 it's coming 64 times. Then again divide 8, then you will get 8 8 is 64. Then again 8, last you are getting 1. How many times 8's come? 1, 2, 3. So write 8 power 3. Here 11, so you have to divide, you will get 121. Then after that you have to divide, you will get 11. Again you have to divide, then how many times 11 comes? 3 times. So you have to write 8 power 3 and 11 power 3. Here it's given 2187 and 16384. Divide it. How many times 3 8's came? Minus 3. Why we have written? Because already here indication minus is there. So write minus 3 power 7 and dividing by 16 this 4 16384 divided with 4 you will get 7 times 4. So you have to write like this. Then again the question is 343. Divide it, you will get 7 3 times, and here you have to divide with 10, you will get 3 times. Like this you have to solve every sums. Now question number 4, evaluate the following. Here in the bracket it was given there minus 1 by 12 power 4 multiply 18 by minus 5 power 3. So what you have to do, you have to open the bracket. Then how many times you have to write minus 1 by 12? 4 times. Here you have to write 18 by minus 5 3 times. Reduce it and bring into the lowest term. Divide it, you will get minus 9 by 4000. Second number question, 2 root 2 power 5 divided by 2 power 9 multiply 2 power minus 7. So what you have to do, you have to write. So your question is given 2 power 5 by 2 power 9 multiply 2 power minus 7. So here it's given in the divisible form. So bring up, you have to write 2 power 5 minus 9. 2 power 5 minus 9 you will get 2 power minus 4. Here as it is you have to write 2 power minus 7. Here as it is you have to write 2 power minus 7. Then after that what you have to do, you have to add it. Why we are adding? Because whenever it's come in the multiply form, we are adding. So minus 4 minus 7, minus minus it will come plus, so you have to write 2 power minus 11. Third number question, it's given bracket under minus 3 power 3, and here it's given 1, and here it's given minus 7 power minus 3. So what you have to do, you have to multiply. You will get minus 1 multiply 3, you will get minus 3 power minus 3, multiply. Minus 3 already in the power it's given, so you have to write minus 7 power minus 3. What you have to write? Now what you have to write, minus 3 power minus 3 multiply minus 7 multiply power minus 3. So what it's given there, minus 3 multiply minus 7, you will get 21, minus 3 plus minus 3, plus minus you will get minus, so you have to write 21 minus 3 minus 3, minus minus it will come plus, so you have to write 21 power minus 6. Next question is given 3 power minus 5, 3 power 2 and 3 power 0. So what the value of 3 power 0 is there? 1. So what you have to write here, 3 power minus 5 and 3 power 2 multiply 3 power 0. So what you have to write? You have to write 3 power minus 5 plus 2 plus 1. So why we are writing here 1? Because 3 power 0 value is 1. So plus minus minus plus minus. So you have to write 5 minus 2. You would have to write minus 3 here. So multiply 3 times, you have to multiply 3. You will get 1 by 27. Why we are writing why we are writing 1 by 27? Because here it's given minus form, so we can write in the fractional form. Now question number 5. Express 125 and 625 as the power of 5. So what you have to do, you have to first find the prime factorization method. By using the prime factorization method, you have to divide with 5. You will get 25 here. 5 divide, you will get 5. So how many times 5 it came? 3 times. Here also you have to do 625 divide with 5, you will get 125, divide with 5, 25, divide with 5, you will get 5, and at last here you are getting 1. So how many times here it came power? It came 3 times, here it came 4 times. So add it, otherwise leave it like this only. Now 6th number question, it's given express each of the following as a product of prime factors. Means you have to find the prime factorization method. First number question, it's given there 125 into 216. So here you have to write 125, here you have to write 216. Divide with 5, you will get 25, divide with 5, you will get 5, here you will get 1. Here you have to divide with 3, you will get 72, divide with 3, you will get 24, divide with 3, 8, then 2 divide, you will get 4. Divide with 2, you will get 2. At last, how many times 5 came? 3 times. Here, how many times 3 came? Is 3 times. 2, how many times it came? 3 times. You have to write like this. Then 81 and 5, 256. 3 divide with 27, 3 divide 9, 3 divide 3. At last, count how many times it came? 3 power 4. Here you have to divide, you will get 2 power 8. Here already the number is given, so you have to count, you have to divide, you have to use the prime factorization method. Then afterwards you have to count how many times 2 came, how many times 3 came, how many times 5 came. So at last what you will get? You will get 2 it came 9 times, 3 it came 9 times, and 5 it came 6 times. Now 7 number question, simplify. It is given 2 by 5 power 7, 2 by 5 power 4 and 2 by 5 power minus 2. Here you see there 2 by 5 is common in every. So what you have to write here? You have to write minus 4. Why we are writing minus 4? Because here it's given in the division form. Here it's given in the division form. You have to change it to multiplication. You will get minus 4 here. So after that what you have to write? 7 plus minus 4 plus minus 2. Plus minus minus, here also plus minus minus. So what you have to write here? 2 by 5 power 7 minus 4 minus 2. 7 minus 4 you will get 3. 3 minus 2 you will get 1. So write here 2 by 5 power 1. At last you will get answer 2 by 5. Second number question, it is given minus 9 by 5 power 5, 5 by 3 power minus 5 and multiply 1 by 3 power minus 2. Here it's given minus, here also given minus, but all digits are different. So what you have to do? You have to just reciprocal. Then it will comes minus 5 by 9. Here you have to reciprocal. It will get 3 by 5 power 5. 3 you have to bring up and down 1. So it will come 2. After that you have to open the brackets. then after that how many times it's given, you have to write that much time, then after division you will get 1 by 27 answer. The third number it's given 3 power 0 and 2 power 0 minus 5 divided with 7 power 0. So here no other mean is there, it means it's a 1 only. So what you have to write, you have to write 1 minus 1, and here what you have to write minus power 5 and divide with 7 power 1. 7 power 0 is there, you have to take as a value 1. So what you have to write here 3 power 0 means 1 and 2 power 0 means also 1. So 1 minus 1 you will get 0. 0 power minus 5, it will come 0 only. 0 divided by 1, at last you will get 0 answer. Like this you have to solve other numbers also. Same method, same process, you have to solve it. Now question number 8 is given, simplify a power x plus y minus z and a power x minus y plus z. So what you have to write here, it's given outside y it is there, you have to multiply. If you are multiplying, you will get a power xy plus y square minus yx. Here you have to multiply, what you will get, a power xy minus y square plus yx. Same you will get. So at last what you have to write, you have to open the bracket, then after write a power xy plus xy minus plus y square minus y square plus minus cut, it will come like this. Then it will, here it's written minus yz plus yz also cut. Then at last what you will get, at last you will get a power 2xy. This is your answer. Second number question, it's given the same thing, you have to multiply with this one. You will get a power xy, here you will get a power yz, and here you will get a power zx. Here down what you are getting, the same thing you are getting, so divide it, you will get one answer. Here it's given a by b power 5 by 7. Here it's given b by a minus 5 by 7. So what you have to do, you have to add it. At last what you will get, 5 plus 5 you will get 10. And down you have to take a LCM, you will get 10 by 7. A by b power 10 by 7. Now 4 number question. 4 number question it is given 1 by 4 power minus 3, 1 by 2 power minus 3 and 1 by 8 power minus 3. So what you have to do, you have to write as like this one. It is given 1 by form. 1 by 4 it's given in the form. So what you have to write, 4 power 3, 2 power 3, and here you have to write 8 power 3. After that open this bracket, and after that you have to write 4 3 times, 2 3 times and 8 3 times. After that multiply it and subtract it, you will get 56 by 512. Divide it, you will get at last 7 by 64 answer. 9 number question it's given, state whether the following statements are true or false. So here you have to check the both sides, the statements are equal or not. If your answer is coming equal, means it's a true, otherwise it's a false one. So first number question it's given 5 power 5 square multiply 6 cube equals to 5 power 2 plus 3. So 5 multiply 6 you will get 30. Power you have to add it, you will get 30 power 5. Here you have to add 5 power 2 plus 3, you will get 5 power 5. Both sides it's unequal, so the statement will be false. Here second number question it is given 3 power 4 multiply 3 power 3 equals to 3 power 4 plus 3. What you have to do, you have to add this 4 and 3. You will get 3 power 4 plus 3, you will get 3 power 7, and here you will get 3 power 4 plus 3, you will get 7. Both the right side and left side both are equal, so you have to write here true. So both side you have to write 3 power 7, and here also you have to write 3 power 7. Both side equal, so you have to write true statements. So like this you have to solve every sums, and in the next video I am going to explain you exercise 2.2.